Okay, today I'm gonna talk about how to simplify the fraction with the radical numbers in the denominator. Okay, or how to rationalize this fraction. Now let's take a look. So 1 over square root of 5. So the first things I'm gonna reclaim the formula we learned before. Square root of a square should be a. Okay, so that's the formula we're gonna follow. So here for this case we know the square root of 5 in the denominator, how to rationalize this radical number. The easiest way, we let both the denominator and the numerator times this radical number. So we let the numerator times square root of 5 and let the denominator times this radical number. And we're gonna get what? Square root of 5. 1 times square root of 5 gonna be a square root of 5. The denominator gonna be a square root of 5 square. Okay, and follow this formula. We can see this guy should be a square root of 5 square should be a. Here a is 5. That's the answer. Okay, now let's take a look at the second example. How to simplify this fraction. Now follow the same structure. We let the denominator times square root of 3 and let the numerator times square root of 3. Okay, so we let the denominator times square root of 3 and the numerator times square root of 3, and for the numerator gonna be 2 times 3, and the denominator gonna be square root of 3 square. We have what? Square root of 6. Right, 2 times 3 is square root of 6, and the square root of 3 square gonna be following this formula equals a, that is 3. Okay, and the last example gonna be square root of 3 divided by square root of 7. We're gonna follow the same strategy. How to simplify it? We have square root of 7 times square root of 7, and let the numerator also times square root of 7. And for the numerator we can simplify it, 3 times 7, and for the denominator gonna be square root of 7 square, and we're gonna get square root of 21. Because here's a prime number, we couldn't simplify this square root because 3 and 7 are both prime numbers. And for this guy we're gonna follow this formula again. Okay, that's it.